Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt and this is the Coinbase. So in today's video I'm going to be walking you through a tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, what we want to do is actually log into the Coinbase app. Really simple. And then what you want to do is at the bottom of the screen you'll see two arrows pointing away from each other. So you just click on that and then buy crypto with cash at the top. And then what you want to do is, if you want to select either a cryptocurrency from the list that you get straight away, or you can actually search for it. So you can search for that if you wanted to, and then say I want to spend £10. What you do, you type in how much you want to put in, and then you would preview buy, and then this will tell you how much you are buying or purchasing. So for me it'd be £9 and a penny, and then you'll get your Coinbase fee, and then this will total up to how much you want to spend. So this would break down your purchase price and the Coinbase fee, and then how much in total, and then you want to buy now. So this is just going through the security. Okay, so now we've purchased that and we've got 0.04 of AAVE or AVI. So press done, and now in my portfolio it will show that I have 0.04.